Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily import presets into Premiere Pro. It's really simple and easy. When you've downloaded the presets from the stores or website, you will have them in probably on your desktop or wherever you download. So go to this download folder. Maybe let's imagine that you have got the zip file just ready, placed it wherever you want. The way to do is double click, and then with this prfpset file we are going to drag them where we want to be. So just drag into this folder here, and here it is. This is unzipped, that means it's not in the zip folder anymore. When we go to Premiere Pro, go to this effects tab. Under presets we are going to right click, import presets, and then find where we unzip that file, and here it is. Then click on open. Your preset should now be in Premiere Pro and you can use it in your upcoming projects. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to easily import preset in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.